This is the Bridgesew 640 D4 auto thread cutters, auto back tack, auto foot lifts. Hi, I'm Neil. I'm just got a demonstration video on a setup of the 640. Okay, so what you're going to do is once you get your machine in place, the hinges put in, machine put down, you're going to tip the machine back, stick your umbrella in here, put your oil in. It'll take the whole container, take it up between low and between the low and the high mark. Once you've got your oil in, you can tip your machine back down into place. If it doesn't want to go right in, just give it a little shove like that, get it into place. Then you're going to hook up your wiring. You're going to have two wires, basically this one. You'll be laying down in here, and this is your power cord. So you'll take your power cord, bring it up through the hole, stick it in this section here, and then reach down and grab the other wire, which is your foot control. Bring it up through the hole. There's only one way these go in, and stick this one into place. And put the rubber back up in there. And you're basically set up. Okay, now to set up the this control panel. These are your back tack speeds, or your back tacks, A and B and D and C. A and B is the start of your back tack. It just does a double stitch. And then step back on the pedal, it finishes the D and C. If I want to increase that to triple back tacks, A and B, and if I want to do that at the end of your sewing cycle, D and C, press it again, you're going to see A, B, D, C, D, C. So it's a triple back tack. Same as the end of the cycle. If I want to eliminate back tacking when I start to sew, just hit it again. You'll see it disappear on the screen. Hit it, this one. Now it's just going to sew on the side. And when I hit back on the pedal, it cuts the thread. Okay, if I want just A and B, or just B, that's just a single back tack, and C is a single back tack at the end. And it's determined on how many stitches you want just by adding or decreasing the stitches in your back tack. Add a double here, double there. And let me see. Okay, this is your knife. This is your sewing speed. If you want your cutter shut off, you would hit this button. The up and down speed, you want to slow the machine down, or you want to speed it up just by hitting your arrow up or your arrow down. Okay, a lot of these other buttons you're not going to worry about. This one here is if you want this needle down, needle up. Okay. These ones here, if you get in, sometimes you'll touch these and then you'll lock it up. If this happens, you can go into a factory reset. Shut your power down until it goes completely off. I'm going to push the two minus keys over here on the left hand side, hold them in, turn the power on, let it come up. So P44, hit S twice, shut your power down. Now we've factory restored the settings to what it was when you first got the machine. It'll bring it back up. Now what we're going to do is go into our perimeters because the back tack speed right now is too fast. Okay, that's too fast. I like to slow it down a little bit. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to bring it up to P04. Hit S. 1200 stitches a minute. I'll slow that back tack speed to about 700. Save it. And then I'm going to go into P again. That's the start of my back tack. I'll go into P, go up to P05, hit S, and bring this back, the finished back tack speed. This is the back tack after you finish sewing and you heel back on a pedal. 700, and save that. Now we should be good to go. It should slow the speed down, yeah. We're all set. That should cover pretty much anything. You're gonna ignore most of this. It's not gonna do anything anyways. Yeah, we're good.